Hi guys, and welcome to my video where I'll be showing you how to use the Fitbit app to capture GPS data. Now, as always, I'll be doing this on my iPhone, however I'll talk you through how to do it on your Windows phone or Android device at the end. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Fitbit app, and when the home screen comes on, scroll down to where you see exercises. So you can see right now that it's the orange icon with the man running where it says 1 out of 5 days. Go ahead, tap on that, and this screen should come up. By pressing the top tab, you can change the exercise from walking to running or to hiking, whichever one you want to do. You can then press the second tab where it says cues to set up different cues for when you're doing the exercise. So go ahead and press on the cues tab and then change the settings so that the split pace box is ticked, or the split pace tab is ticked. So all the other cues, if they're ticked already, just go ahead and untick them, but just leave the cue that says split pace and then in brackets since last cue. You're then going to want to press the frequency tab, as you can see it's the third one down, and change the setting from the original every 1 kilometre to every 3 minutes, like you can see that I'm doing now. So you just have to scroll down a little bit and press the 3 minutes tab. You can then return to the previous screen and you can adjust the volume. I would recommend adjusting the volume from medium to high, however you can keep it medium if you want to. Once you've got all this set up, you can then go ahead and preview the voice cues by pressing the preview voice cues button. So for me, it sounds a little bit like this.
Split pace 8 minutes 30 seconds.
You can then return to the previous screen by pressing the arrow in the top left hand corner of the screen. And then go ahead and start the test by pressing the big pink start button in the middle of your screen. So when you're ready to start the test, go ahead and press that, and this screen should come up. Now this screen will tell you exactly how much you've walked, in how much time, and what pace you're walking at. Now by swiping left, you can then display your GPS to see how much you've walked. And then to return to the previous screen, you can swipe right. Once you're ready to finish the exercise, go ahead and press the pink button and then press and hold the green finish button. That will then save your exercise to your Fitbit app and you'll be ready to display it in the exercise tab on the main home screen. So I hope you found this video helpful and stay tuned for the next one.